Hey, welcome back for another video into Huck's World, and today we're going to talk about the 5 tech ideas for Father's Day I think Dad will love. Let's take a look at them. Now, Father's Day is almost among us, and we got to get these gift ideas on the table and out the store quick fast because Father's Day is almost here. So I have 5 gift ideas that I think Dad will love for Father's Day. Let's take a look at them. The Google Home. Now, the Google Home is on sale at Best Buy. So is the Google Mini. Now, you can get the Google Home for $99. The Google Mini is on sale for $39. And you can give it commands. You can play music. You can ask it how tall is the Sears Tower. You can control home automation. You can even make a phone call with the Google Home. And this makes for an awesome gift for Dad. Now, if you're not a fan of Google Home, you can get Alexa. Alexa is also on sale as well for $79, and the Echo Dot is on sale for $39. Now, for all the products that we're going to review today, I will leave a link in the description down below. Let's move on and check out gift number 2. Number 2, the Gear S3 and the Gear Sport is on sale at Best Buy. The deal lasts all the way up into the 17th of this month, so make sure you don't miss out on it. Now, if you want the Gear S3, you can get it for $279, down from $349, which is an awesome deal. And the Gear Sport is on sale for $229, down from $299. Don't miss out on this awesome deal for Dad. Dad is going to love this gift. He'll be able to send messages, play music on the Gear S3, not so much on the Gear Sport, but he can send text messages, answer emails. He has a rotating bezel to help get and navigate to certain functions. Dad is going to be in love with this awesome gift. Remember, this deal ends on the 17th of this month. Number 3. Now, if you're looking for a Father's Day gift for me, this would be the gift I would love to have. Now, I found this gift on Amazon.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description for this one because you don't want to miss out on this deal. The name of it is called Sky Roam Solus. It's a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot and power bank. It has unlimited data, global SIM-free, 4G LTE, pay-as-you-go, and it covers North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. It also covers 120 countries. It has a 6,000 milliamp hour power bank, and it has 16 plus hours of battery life. So this thing will keep you charged all day, and it's portable. You can take this and put it right in your pocket. You can take it to the park. You can take it to the job. Wherever you want to go with this thing, it is ready to go. And you only pay $9 a day. You don't have to pay for it tomorrow. You can wait till the weekend. You can use this however you like. Dad is surely going to love you for this one. Number 4, Dad is going to love this one. Now, you can locate this one on Amazon.com. It's an Apple Watch stand. It's a 4-in-1. You can charge up your smartphone, your smartwatch, and your AirPods. Very clean, no messy wires or anything. Now, you can charge up your iPhone from the iPhone 6 all the way up to the iPhone X. You can charge your Apple Series 1, Apple Series 2, 38mm, and the 42mm. And you can charge your AirPods. Everything is all in one place, easy to assemble. This is not a bad deal at all. It comes in gray, it comes in silver, it also comes in black, and you can get this one in a nice rose gold. Dad, I know he's gonna love this one. Now, this last gift Dad is sure to love. Now, it's unlike all the rest of the gadgets that we reviewed today, but it is still a gadget all the same. This one here is called Kickerland. It's a barbecue grill, portable suitcase, very nice. It comes in a couple of colors, silver and what seems to look like a rust color. Now, you're gonna pay $61.99 for this. This is not a bad deal. It can be found on Amazon.com. You can use this for tailgating. You can also take this on a fishing trip. Very convenient, very nice, very useful. Dad, I think you'll like it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed all the gift ideas for Dad. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know which one you're going to pick, if any at all. All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your day. Happy Father's Day in advance. And I will see you all at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.